Do you ever find yourself going back and forth with someone just to agree on a meeting time? You suggest Tuesday, they say Wednesday. Then you both get confused with the time zones. Well, Gmail now makes this super easy. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Schedule a Time with Me button to propose meeting times without all the stress and back and forth messages. First, open your Gmail on your computer and sign in if you haven't already. Click Compose to begin drafting your email. Add the recipient, subject, and whatever message you want to send. Now take a look at the toolbar right under your email. Click on the three dots and select Set up a time to meet. When you click Set up a time to meet, Gmail gives you three options. Create a booking page. Propose times you're free. Create an event. For this tutorial, choose the second option. Propose times you're free. This is what allows you to share your available time slots so the other person can pick what works best for them. A calendar window will open. Here, you can select the days and times you're available. Just click and drag across the time blocks you want to propose. You can choose one slot or multiple slots. Gmail will send all of them so the other person can pick whatever works for them. You can toggle between the days to pick the exact time blocks you want to propose. Just click on any day and highlight the hours you're available. Gmail will add them to your meeting proposal automatically. You can click on this button to delete the proposed time. Now, click here to choose the specific time for the blocks you've selected. You can also edit or fine-tune the time right here. Click on this button to add another period to this day, and click on this to remove this period. Now click Next to continue. Select this option to choose how the meeting will take place, whether through Google Meet, an in-person meeting, or a phone call. Click here to add a meeting description so everyone has a clear idea of what the meeting is about. Now, click the Add to Email button to insert your proposed meeting times directly into your message. Gmail automatically adds a clean schedule layout into your message. Now, your email includes clickable time options. The person receiving it can choose a time, and Gmail automatically turns it into a calendar event for both of you. No stress, no back and forth, no confusion. And that's how you propose meeting times in Gmail using the Schedule a Time with Me feature. Perfect for students, professionals, teams, and anyone tired of endless scheduling messages. Finally, click the Send button to deliver the email. And that's how you propose meeting times in Gmail using the Schedule a Time with Me feature. Perfect for students, professionals, teams, and anyone tired of endless scheduling messages.